Downloaded an MKV video, but it won't play on your phone, TV, or video editor? You're not alone. The real problem is that many devices simply don't support MKV very well. Let me show you why, and how to convert it to MP4 without losing quality. MKV and MP4 are both video container formats, but they're designed with different goals. MKV is much more flexible. It can store multiple audio tracks, subtitles, chapters, and a wider variety of video and audio formats, making it a popular choice for movies and high-quality content. The downside? Not every device or app supports all of those features. MP4 is a more standardized format, which is why it's supported by almost every phone, computer, TV, browser, and social media platform. Fortunately, you don't need to re-encode your video from scratch. A good video converter can do the job in just a few clicks. I'll use TotalMedia for this demo, but the overall process is similar with most video converters. Here's how easy it is. Just go to Video Converter, upload your MKV file, select MP4 as the output, and hit Convert. In a few seconds, you'll have a lossless MP4 ready to go.
Woo!
Your video now plays on Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android, tvs, and most editing software without any compatibility issues. If you often work with different video formats, TotalMedia also supports batch conversion, video compression, and AI enhancement. You can try it for free using the link below.